Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting about pine trees or pinus. Pines are evergreen gymnosperms that play an important role in both the environment and the economy. They are able to survive harsh conditions like cold, drought, and poor soil. People also use pines for timber, resin paper, and even as Christmas trees. Plant taxonomy. It belongs to the kingdom Plantae, phylum Tracheophyta, class Pinopsida, family Pinaceae, genus Pinus L, and species Pinus pinea L. Morphology. These trees are easy to recognize. They have needle-like leaves arranged in bundles called fascicles, a tall straight trunk covered with thick scaly bark, and produce male and female cones on the same tree. The seeds are winged, allowing them to be carried by the wind to new areas. Anatomy. Pines have special structures that help them survive. Their roots have an epidermis, cortex, and xylem and phloem, which transport waters and nutrients. They also have resin canals for protection. In the stem, secondary growth produces thick xylem and thin phloem, with growth rings showing seasonal changes. The needle-like leaves have a thick cuticle and sunken stomata which help reduce water loss and allow photosynthesis even in cold or dry climates. Physiology. Pines are able to thrive through several important processes. Photosynthesis occurs in the green needle and provides food all year round. Transpiration helps move nutrients and cool the tree, while resin production protects the tree from bacteria and pests. Together, these processes allow the pines to grow strong and survive in different environments. Embryology. They reproduce sexually using male and female cones. Pollen from male cones is carried by the wind to the female cones, where fertilization occurs. The zygote develops into an embryo inside the seed, which is surrounded by food reserves and a protective coat. These winged seeds are dispersed by wind, animals, or fire, allowing new pine trees to grow. Ecologically, pines are important indicators of forest health. They survive in harsh environments, influence soil quality, and often act as pioneer species in disturbed areas. Pines provide food and shelter for wildlife, are adapted to fire-prone ecosystems, and contribute to the carbon and oxygen cycle, helping maintain climate stability and ecosystem balance. Pines evolved around 150 million years ago and adapted to different environments through two main lineage. Strobus thrives in poor soils and extreme climates, while Pinus grows in fire-prone areas. Pines were among the first conifers to evolve and develop key adaptations like pollen and seeds, allowing reproduction without relying on water. Pines reproduce sexually using male and female cones. During pollination, weed carries pollen from male cones to female cones. The fertilized egg develops into an embryo inside the seed, which is surrounded by food reserves and a protective coat. Seeds are dispersed by wind, animals, or fire, ensuring that new pine trees can grow and thrive in different environments. In conclusion, pines are strong survivors that thrive in fire-prone, cold, or dry environments. They provide wood, resin, and Christmas trees, support wildlife, and maintain ecological balance. Amid millions of years of evolution, pines remain outstanding and valuable plants that continue to help both people and the environment. That is all and thank you.